is always special for us for many reasons, and one reason is, yes, we met at IIM Kozhikode.
And reason number 2, we got married in Kozhikode in spite of 2 of us not belonging to Kozhikode. We are super proud of the IIMK community in Dubai, and we are absolutely loving it.
It's been 20 years since I graduated from IIM Kozhikode, and I'm incredibly proud about our progress in that time. We're now ranked 3rd amongst all Indian business schools. We have a global alumni network with incredible alumni engagement and a fantastic alumni meets.
हम सफर हम सभी एक हिस्सा है कहानी कॉलेज की जो
I run a VC firm in Bangalore, and I'm here at IIMK Sangam Dubai because it's the best way to build relationships longer term in this market.
I had a wonderful time at K, and I'm happy to be here at the alumni meet. Thank you.
IIMK were the 2 best years of my life. The biggest takeaway was the global alumni network. Wherever I go, I meet my classmates and alumni, including in London, Paris, and Amsterdam.
So we have 150 plus alumni based in the Middle East. We meet regularly, and our alumni interactions are one of the best in the world in terms of alumni engagement. And we also associate with a lot of organizations here in the Middle East, truly globalizing Indian thought.
IIMK is one of the most vibrant network as part of an IIM networks here. We play a very integral part in Pan IIM network. We also work very closely with Indian Embassy, Indian Consulate, His Excellency, Ambassador and Consul General of India on various strategic initiatives for India and UAE business.
I have come from Bangalore to Dubai and have come to Sangam as it is the best way to connect with alums.
तू चल जिंदगी में दौड़ अभी बेहतर बनेगा दौर तभी.
Our alumni support helps us organize the best alumni meets.
नई तारीख हो तारीखों के पन्नों पर कॉलेज का नाम.
The biggest asset from IIMK is this global network. Sangam is the best opportunity to connect with this network.